In this lesson, you're going to learn how to name your course and create the course structure. So I'm going to go into the back end here, into WordPress, click on Courses, and then Add Course. And I'm just going to give our course a title. I'm just going to call it the Health and Fitness course. And I'm not going to get into all this stuff over here. We're going to go ahead and publish our course. And then we're going to launch the course builder right here. This is where we actually create the curriculum. So I'm going to click on Launch Course Builder. And we've got a blank slate. This is kind of like the table of contents for a book. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a section, and I'm going to call that section Introduction. And then I'm going to add a lesson to that section called Welcome. Then I'm going to add another section called Method. And you can name your sections and lessons whatever you want. You can have as many or as few as you want. And then I'm going to add a bunch of lessons here. I'm going to add 5 lessons to my main course content. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see I'm just clicking on the new lesson button over there. And then I'm going to add another section called Transformation. I'm going to add 2 lessons to that. And then I'm going to add a final section called Conclusion. And I'm going to add that last lesson. And I'm just going to call that lesson Now What? And I'm going to go through and rename all of these, but I'm not going to make you watch me do that. And now I'm just going to go over what these little icons and buttons do. This button right here takes you to the area where you can add the lesson content. This takes you to the front end view of that lesson. This allows you to shift the lesson down in the course. This allows you to move a lesson to the previous section or the next section. This button allows you to detach a lesson from a course if you want to use it in a different course. And this allows you to delete the lesson. This takes you to the lesson settings. This tells you if you have an assignment attached, or you can add an assignment with it. This allows you to add a quiz. This will light up to show that you have added lesson content, so you can basically scan the syllabus at a high-level view. This shows if you've added a video. This shows if you've added an audio. This lock shows you if you have you're only allowing in enrolled students. You can unlock it if you want unenrolled students or visitors to the website to see the lesson to get a free sample for marketing purposes. This will light up if you have a prerequisite in place. And this will light up if you are using drip content. So let's see what this looks like on the front end. And you can see our lesson syllabus is coming together right here.